channel. I've decided I'm going to go and get some new tyres. These ones look like they've been dragged around the field sideways. There's no sidewalls left in them, there's cuts and whatnot. Not really good for the amount of mileage I'm doing. They're good for green lining and a bit of pay and play days. There's some cheap tyres though. So I've arranged these ones have been sold already. So I'm going to go and get my new ones on. Only another set of insa turbos. Come along for the ride. Might be doing a little walk around of a bit of a walk around of a classic Land Rover later. But I'll put that in another video. Gonna have some fun, guys.